Hey, Bradley623 here. I'm going to be showing you my flip notes on my DSi. These are only going to be ones I made.
What and burrito? Can I have some?
Oh,
no.
whoop.
What and burrito? Can I have some? No. Okay, fine, you can have what and in Malaysia. Yawn. 5 weeks later. Ow, my arm. 5 weeks later, again. Mario! Here, take this one up soon. 5 weeks later. Ow, I died. Oh, yeah, bye, Steve. Hey, taco! Must have taco as I get closer. Must have taco. Must have it. Yes, I got it! Bang, 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 do, ouch. Bang. Wait, how is my head getting bigger? Ow, my head. What?
Okay, that's all my flip notes I have in there. Is my foot. Zooming out, zooming in. This is actually the first day I am not using a phone. Oh well. Bye for the